Hey everyone, hope you are well. I'm back with a video. So imagine you didn't save your scenario that has a lot of modules, but you are missing that now because you have to create the whole scenario again, uh, and you want to restore that. So imagine, just remember we were working on the scenario last time in our last video. We were working on the arrays. So from the history I can see we did have the three modules. So you just have to press shift, then click your mouse and drag, select these three modules, then control C, or if you are on MacBook, just command C, then go back to your diagram and then click anywhere and control V. So here you go. Just shift your clock. We don't need this one now. So click anywhere. You have your scenario back. So I know you are new. You are learning this, and you are beginners. So I believe you can miss the by saving the scenario. So this will be really very useful for you. So keep watching my videos. I'll be back with some amazing content. See you. Bye bye.